Then Jeremy flew right over his funnel. "It's not fair," huffed Thomas. "Jet planes don't have to stop at signals." Thomas puffed past the windmill, but Thomas could still see Jeremy. He was now high in the sky. Suddenly, Thomas saw a cow on the tracks in front of him. "Jet planes don't have to stop for cows," Thomas puffed sadly. Thomas arrived at the picnic. The blankets were laid out, and everyone was having a wonderful time. But Percy thought Thomas looked sad. "Jet planes can go wherever they like. I wish I were a jet plane," chuffed Thomas. "But engines can pull passenger cars and take children to picnics," peeped Percy. "Engines are really useful." But Thomas wasn't sure. Jeremy was jetting to the mainland, but dark rain clouds were gathering. And Jeremy had to return to the airport. Thomas was passing the airport as Jeremy came in to land. Thomas didn't want to talk to him, but Jeremy called out, "Thomas, a summer storm is on its way. The children's picnic will be ruined." "Cinders and ashes," gasped Thomas. "I must tell Sir Topham Hatt." Thomas reached the picnic just in time. "Quick," tooted Thomas. "There's a big storm coming. The picnic will be washed away." Everyone packed up the picnic as quickly as possible. And then they boarded Annie and Clarabelle. The children were sad the picnic was over. Then another idea flew into Thomas's funnel. He puffed quickly back to the airport. This time Thomas wanted to talk to Jeremy. "Please, can the children have their picnic in your hangar?" he asked. "Of course," said Jeremy. "What a splendid idea." Thomas was very happy. Soon all the children were having a wonderful time, and so was Sir Topham Hatt. "Well done, Thomas and Jeremy," he boomed. "Together you have saved the picnic. You are both really useful." Jeremy was happy to have helped, and Thomas had never felt prouder to be a steam engine.